Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not using my tripod today because actually I forgot it at my aunt's. So I'm going to be getting that soon, just remember that. And I just did my makeup and got a new outfit on, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a second. So here's my shirt, and then I'm wearing some cute pants and hair. It's okay, and then I'm wearing a choker, just add a little bit. So let me tell you. So there's these squishies that aren't squishy at all. So basically, I put them in the refrigerator because I hear it's like this thing which, if you put them in the refrigerator, it makes them more squishier. So yeah, they've been like in the refrigerator for about an hour. So we're just going to go see it. Tiptoeing on my Jordans. Okay, they're probably like, they're so freezing cold. Oh my god, they're so cold. So excited to squeeze them. Okay. So I'm just gonna hurry faster before they start melting. Okay. So here we go. So I'm gonna do this card real quick. So OMG. This is crazy. It's squishing a lot more better. Okay, so try this one. Oh my god! This is so much more squishier. So if you guys like go to Michael's, they have these like little squishies. And basically these are like I can't remember how much they were. Let me see. Dang it, I can't see. It doesn't say it. But there was some money. They're from Michael's. But yeah, it is pretty squishy, guys, which is very surprising. That's really cool. It swishes so much more better. So if you go to Michael's, you can get them, and you'll see like comparison. Like try it. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, guys. It's like water, and no, I don't think it's water. It's just like cold, and I feel like if I squeeze it too much, a bunch of water is gonna come out. But really, it's probably not going to. But just saying, guys. Okay. So it is kind of squishy. And now that it's fading away, oh my god, some defects there. That's not very good. And on this is not very much defects. I don't even know if you can see it, but you can kind of see a little bit. Not sure. This one, there's not very much defects either. Like, of course, everything's not going to be perfect. So, yeah. But anyways, if you guys want me to get more squishies, make sure you guys subscribe and turn the post notification. It's that bell. So yeah, guys. I don't know what else to say. Comment, like this video. Sorry guys. Comment or like this video. What else should I say? If you guys want me to get more squishies, tell me. I don't know actually. So I'm gonna ask my grandma at some point if we can order some squishies. So I've been like dead seriously telling her like I want to get some squishies, girl. She hasn't ordered any yet online. And I'm kind of afraid to do it online or like on Instagram, because on Instagram some people like they say it's a spoof, but some people like it's not a spoof. So I'm kind of afraid like I get scammed. Because that would be very upsetting. Because I wanted to like do an overview. I wouldn't want to get some squishies that, you know, that are scammed. You know, it's not very nice, and it's not very nice to do a video having, you know, being scammed. So I'm pretty sure that I'm probably gonna like try to see if I can go online and try not you know, I'm just gonna be very furious and see what's going on, and, you know, trying to say comment, like I'm gonna try to like talk to her, say like, can I get the, you know, it's pretty explanatory, but it's not. I don't know. So yeah, guys. So yeah. So if you guys want me to get more squishies, make sure you guys tell me in the comments below. And if you're my sis and you're watching right now, oh, that's not my phone. I can't wait to see you, sis, if you're watching this. I miss you. I'm not going to say her full name because I'm afraid she'd get mad at me because she's not, my dad will yell at her if she gets, like, you know, on YouTube. I'm not gonna tell too much information. I'm just gonna say like the first word of her name. It's a B. I really hope she's not mad at me if I like. Don't laugh at me, Brooklyn. I just said it. Oh my god. Please don't be mad at me. Anyway, she doesn't really go online or anything, so you guys won't be able to. Anyways, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm messing with my hair a lot. It's been 7 minutes so far. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna end this video right here because it's getting too long. I don't want to waste too much storage because, you know, that's not very good. And I have to edit this video anyways. So, as always, guys, I love y'all. What was my catchphrase at the end? I haven't done a YouTube video in such a long time. Oh, yeah. Goodbye, my lovers.